fuel today, secure your tomorrow. Conserve energy to preserve future. A very beautiful and pleasant good morning to all. Today, we the students of class 7B are here to conduct this morning assembly of 10 August on the topic World Biofuel Day.
Are addict to our thought. We can't change anything if we can't change our thought. So always start our day with a positive thought and a graceful heart. So for this I would like to call Akshita for today's thought.
Everything is energy. Your thought begins it, your emotion amplifies it, and your action increases the momentum. Thank you.
Poetry is when an emotion has found its thoughts, and thought has found its words. So welcome my friends, Yashmeet, Stuti and Sachi present beautiful Hindi and English poetry on the topic World Biofuel Day.
सुप्रभात। आज मैं खुशमीत कौर ईंधन के उपयोग के ऊपर एक कविता बोलने जा रही हूँ। आज के ज़माने की ज़रूरत है ईंधन, काम को सरल बनाने के लिए ज़रूरत है ईंधन। इसकी वजह से वाहनों के द्वारा दूरी तय हो जाती है। ईंधन के उपयोग से सब कुछ सरल हो जाती है। ना इसके बगैर जीवन की कामना कर सकते। मोटर बाइक कार हम न चला सकते। घर की रसोई की जरूरत है ईंधन, हम सबकी अब तो जरूरत है ईंधन। ईंधन के उपयोग के फायदे अनेक होते, ज्यादा उपयोग से पर्यावरण प्रदूषित बहुत होते। आज के जमाने की जरूरत है ईंधन, काम को सरल बनाने के लिए जरूरत है ईंधन। धन्यवाद।
The price of petrol is rising sky high. After filling your tanks, you just want to cry. The dollars spin around at a blistering rate. Still, it's not full. You just have to wait. It finally clicks off. You are now feeling faint, not from the fumes or drip on the paint. That reading is total. That has taken its toll. Not good for health or your bank roll.
You grumble and fumble at the counter to pay. Find a discount voucher that expired yesterday. 4 cents per liter doesn't save much. You are better off following fuel watch. Snuggle at the browser, then at the shop. The prices keep rising. When will it stop? It will get worse when resources run out, forcing us all on a great walkabout. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
If your words inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more. So, never stop sharing your words with others. To inspire you more with her words, now I welcome Prapti to deliver a speech on the topic World Biofuel Day.
Greetings of the day everyone. Today I, Prapti Shrivastava from class 7B is going to present a speech on the topic World Biofuel Day. Biofuel is a renewable source of energy which is derived from plants and animal waste. These types of fuels are considered to be environment friendly because on burning they cause less pollution as compared to fossil fuels. Biofuel Day is observed every year on 10th of August all over the world in order to raise awareness to increase the use of biofuels like biogas instead of using fossil fuels like petroleum, diesel, etc. to save our environment. Biofuels are not only used for transportation but also for cooking, heating and generation of electricity. US is the leading biofuel producing country in the world. So, we all must increase the use of biofuel and refuse the use of fossil fuels to save our Mother Earth. Thank you.
Now we have some important facts about biofuel. So here I would like to welcome Arivanshpal, Ari, Manav, Rashid and Angad to share with you some interesting facts about biofuel.
Henry Ford designed the first car to run on biofuel ethanol. It was the Model T Ford. First generation of biofuels are also called conventional biofuels, which are made from vegetable oil, sugar, and starch. Basically, any first generation of biofuel can be consumed as food. Thank you.
Second generation of biofuel are those that are produced through sustainable feedstocks. Thank you.
The third generation of biofuels are those produced through algae and have many advantages over first and second generation of biofuels because they don't have the same negative impact on the environment.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you something about biodiesel. When biodiesel is added to traditional petrol diesel, the engine life of vehicle increases and it also reduces the emissions. Biodiesel can be produced by any plant which is capable of producing oils and fats. Thank you.
Animal dung can also be used as biofuel. Agricultural waste, food services waste and municipal waste can be used as biofuel as well. Some people have converted their vehicles to be able to run on used oil. These people often recycle the oil used in restaurants to cook French fries and other deep fried food and make it power the car. Thank you.
So, these were the interesting facts about the biofuel. Now, I would like to welcome Kartikeya to share with you the importance of biofuel.
Today I'm going to tell you the importance of biofuel. Demand for fuel is always on the rise, but biofuels can offset the demand for other non-renewable resources. Biofuels are important because they replace petroleum fuels. Biofuels are eco-friendly and can reduce vehicle emission. One such example of biofuel is biodiesel. It is non-toxic and biodegradable as compared to petroleum diesel. Large-scale production of biofuels would decrease all the fuel prices. Biofuels would then one day become a significant source of our energy and fuels for our homes and cars. Thank you.
So, at the end, I would like to summarize that biofuel are good alternative for fossil fuel. Biofuel can also be used for heating, lighting, power and transport, same like fossil fuel. So, our government should promote the production of biofuel and we should also spread awareness among the people about uses of biofuel because biofuel are the future of energy in this nation and around the world. Thank you.
So here we come to the end of our assembly. On behalf of class 7B students, I would like to thank the school management for providing us this wonderful opportunity of presenting a digital assembly. I would also like to express my gratitude to our principal ma'am and the teachers for their efforts, hard work and the sacrifices they make for our benefits. I am very thankful to everyone who attended the assembly so patiently. At last, I would like to call the paragon of our class teacher, Miss Meenal Singh, to conclude the assembly.
Greetings of the day to all the viewers. As you all know, today is the World Biofuel Day. Biofuel. Biofuel is the fuel that is produced from biomass through the contemporary processes rather than the very slow geological processes involved in the formation of fossil fuel. Biomass is the renewable resource such as plant or animal waste and algal material. Biofuel is not only derived from the renewable resources but it is also environment friendly. The growing use of biofuel will be an inestimable contribution to the generation of income, social inclusion, and reduction of poverty in many countries of the world. Our country, India, is also focusing on the production of biofuel because it is a good alternative for fossil fuel. So, we should also take initiative to spread the awareness of biofuel among the people. At last, I want to thank our school management, respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, for providing this wonderful online platform to our students so that they can showcase their talent in front of all. I also want to appreciate the efforts made by the students and their parents. Without their effort, the compilation of the assembly won't be possible. Thank you and have a nice day.